When your body lies in stillness, enveloped in the quiet embrace of sleep, it's tempting to think your mind shuts down too. However, that idea couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, during those silent hours, the mind often ventures into unexplored territories, revealing hidden pathways of thought and perception. This resting state for the body can be surprisingly dynamic for the mind, opening doors to experiences that ordinary wakefulness might overlook. In sleep, the body may rest, but the mind transcends the physical world, connecting to realms of intuition, insight, and even other dimensions. Your mind is not confined by time or space. It enters a state where past, present, and future intermingle, revealing the boundless nature of consciousness. During these intervals, perception expands, unmasking a vivid tapestry of possibilities that challenge our usual understanding of reality. This openness is precisely why many groundbreaking ideas emerge from the dream state. Sleep, far from being a period of inactivity, is an open gateway to what some might call the beyond. The groundbreaking theories of Chris Langan, particularly his cognitive theoretic model of the universe, illustrate this perfectly. His ideas suggest that our reality functions like a self-aware form of computation. Within this framework, even as your body sleeps, your mind remains intertwined with a broader interconnected consciousness. This point underscores how slumber can be anything but idle. It is a corridor into a network of infinite exchanges. Dreams, for instance, can be understood as symbolic data packets from this universal system, carrying messages that often escape the grasp of ordinary waking awareness. Nikola Tesla famously attributed many of his groundbreaking inventions to visions he experienced in dreams. In those visionary moments, his mind conceptualized entire machines long before they took shape in the physical world. This remarkable phenomenon shows just how potent the dream realm can be for fueling real-world innovation, merging creativity with a sense of boundless possibility. Stephen Greer expands on this idea, suggesting that your dreams might also serve as a tool for glimpsing future events or distant realities. How often have you woken from a vivid dream only to witness its events unfold in the days or weeks that follow? These episodes hint at an innate ability to tap into layers of existence that operate beyond the linear constraints of our physical world. Indeed, the dream state can act as a subtle messenger, whispering insights about paths yet to be taken or truths yet to be recognized. When your body sleeps, your mind doesn't simply shut off, it actively communicates. Dreams are more than random imagery. They are a language, a complex system of symbols and metaphors that convey messages from the subconscious or perhaps even higher dimensions of consciousness. Each dream, no matter how abstract, carries meaning waiting to be uncovered. In essence, this hidden communication channel offers guidance that can be applied to everyday life if only we learn to translate its coded messages. Interpreting this language requires attention to detail and a willingness to connect the dots. Dreams rarely deliver their messages in straightforward, literal ways. Instead, they use the logic of emotion, intuition, and metaphor. A recurring image of water, for example, might represent emotional turbulence or a need for inner cleansing and renewal. Meanwhile, the appearance of a particular animal could symbolize a trait you need to develop. Journaling upon waking can help capture these fleeting insights, gradually revealing the tapestry of hidden themes that run through your dream life. Chris Langan's cognitive theoretic model of the universe provides a fascinating framework for understanding dreams as part of a broader computational system. According to Langan, the universe itself is a self-aware, self-configuring entity. Within this cosmic architecture, dreams act as conduits for information exchange between your individual consciousness and the universal mind. By reflecting on these nightly encounters, you engage with this larger system, gaining insights that often lie beyond the ordinary perceptions of day-to-day life. In doing so, you become an active participant in the grand interplay of reality. Historically, many cultures and thinkers have emphasized the spiritual and predictive aspects of dreams. Carl Jung viewed them as a window into the collective unconscious, a realm shared by all humanity. Stephen Greer, on the other hand, sees dreams as a tool for remote viewing, offering glimpses into future events or far-off places. Both perspectives underscore the importance of approaching dreams with reverence and curiosity. These nocturnal communications may not always be straightforward, but they can open the door to a more profound sense of self and purpose. Dreams, far from being idle nocturnal wanderings, are a rich source of wisdom and guidance. They encourage us to see beyond the limited lands of our waking lives and to explore uncharted mental territories. When you treat dreams as purposeful experiences, you discover that they can serve as catalysts for personal growth and even spiritual insight. By allowing yourself to explore what seems hidden in darkness, you illuminate new pathways in your own consciousness. Dreams are just the beginning. Beyond them lies an even deeper understanding of consciousness, a state that transcends the limits of your physical form. Your mind, even while at rest, remains tethered to an infinite field of awareness capable of accessing knowledge across time and space. This concept of non-local consciousness resonates with Chris Langan's theories and Stephen Greer's teachings, both of which describe a reality that is far more expansive than our everyday perception suggests. By embracing this wider vision, you begin to understand how each moment in slumber is connected to the universe at large. According to Greer, the ability to remote view is not reserved solely for mystics or individuals with decades of meditation experience. It is, in fact, a natural capacity of human consciousness. Achieving this state begins with cultivating awareness during transitions between wakefulness and sleep, known as the hypnagogic and hypnopompic states. In these in-between moments, your mind is relaxed yet aware, allowing you to receive impressions that would normally be filtered out by conscious thought. A single, well-chosen intention at this threshold can seed your dreams with revelations. Meditation is another powerful tool for tapping into this boundless field. A regular practice of quieting the mind helps develop the clarity and discipline necessary to connect with deeper levels of awareness. Simple breathing techniques such as inhaling slowly, pausing briefly, then exhaling even more slowly can anchor your attention and calm the ceaseless chatter of the mind. Over time, such exercises allow you to access meditative states more easily, even as you drift into sleep. Guided visualizations or mantras can enhance this process, further opening the channel to universal consciousness. Lucid dreaming offers a direct and practical route to exploring the limitless nature of consciousness. By training yourself to remain aware within the dream, you can actively shape and question the dream environment, investigating distant times and places or unraveling personal mysteries. Keeping a dream journal is pivotal to developing this skill, as it helps you identify recurring symbols and patterns that can trigger lucidity. Over weeks and months, this practice solidifies the pathway between your waking mind and the dream realm, turning every night into a voyage of discovery. Combining lucid dreaming with meditation and hypnagogic awareness creates a powerful trifecta for accessing the limitless potential of your sleeping mind. This multifaceted approach enables you to receive insights and revelations far beyond what the waking state typically allows. In fact, consistent practice of these methods can deepen your connection to the universal tapestry, bridging personal intention and cosmic design. As a result, your dreams can evolve from passive stories into active dialogues with the greater intelligence of existence. Mastering the awake mind during sleep isn't merely a matter of comprehension, it's about disciplined, ongoing application. To fully unlock the potential of your consciousness, consistent effort becomes key. Chris Langan and Stephen Greer both highlight the importance of intentionality. Whether you aim to solve a problem, gain clarity on a decision, or simply explore the symbolic world of your dreams, setting a specific intention before slumber activates your mind's capacity to engage with the universal consciousness. These small but deliberate steps serve as gateways to remarkable experiences. Finally, recognize that your mind's activity while your body sleeps is far from random. It mirrors your deep connection to the universe, to others, and to your own subconscious wisdom. Embracing this connection unlocks a profound source of guidance, creativity, and understanding that can profoundly influence every aspect of your life. By acknowledging and working with the limitless potential that emerges in sleep, you begin to harmonize your waking aspirations with the insights of your resting mind, truly transforming the way you experience reality.